guys beautiful out there?
Yes, is it, Michael?
I'm going to blow the air horn at Michael and Maritzel. Ha 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 ha.
Wow, what was that noise?
Well, talking Tom Legen 8 used that horn. Did you blow air horn at us?
Yes, it is. April Fools.
Oh my god, talking Tom a Legend 8th. That was not April Fool's prank at all. We can't believe you blew an air horn at us. You know that doing that can hurt our ears.
She's right. I'm gonna call your parents about it. Now go home. Hello, Tom the 17th from Angela the 9th. Your son blew an air at me and Maritzel. Can you grounded him? Okay, thanks, bye.
Talking Tom Legend 8. How dare you blow an air horn at Michael and Maritzel? You know that you can damage someone's ear. That's it. You are grounded for 5 days. So that means no April Fool's Day for you. Now give me your horn and go upstairs to your room right now.
We don't feel like